How to use application analytics to enhance the customer experience. How do you engage with your customers? Modern-day businesses leverage technology by using apps to keep customers engaged. As an enterprise, if you have more insight, visibility, and access about the data that is coming from your applications, you can take steps to deliver a better experience for your customers. However, one major challenge that many businesses face is how to go about making sense of all the data that is coming in. The overall data gathering and analysis structure is more complex now than ever. One reason for this major complexity is that applications are moving to hybrid cloud infrastructures, and mobile is becoming a primary point of access from which data flows into companies. So, how can you ensure you harness the massive influx of data and bring out meaningful information? Well, if you are just beginning down this journey, it is about analyzing data through the right analytical tools. But let's take a look at what exactly should be done to ensure the right analytics are in the place to bring out true value from data and deliver better customer experiences. Number 1. If you can't control your data, then the huge influx might create chaos. Therefore, it is important to have tools that can get you an end-to-end perspective on your data that is coming in from a wide range of touchpoints. This is specifically helpful when the organization is in a hybrid multi-cloud environment. Number 2. Since data comes from multiple sources in a hybrid multi-cloud environment, it is important to analyze it using analytical tools and correlate this data to help departments take necessary action. This action should result in improved customer experiences. Number 3. Once the right data analytics tools are in place, your organization can then begin to take real-time action and even pro-action to gain the results you want. These 3 factors contribute to better customer service, and companies can constantly engage with their customers throughout the sales cycle. If you want to know more about how value can come through your data and how analytics can play a key role, click the link below for more information.